So I'm currently back on this new project, now starting week 2. So I'll show you around. So once again, like the other buy-to-lets where we converted 1-bed flats into 2-bed flats, we're doing exactly the same here. So I'll walk you around, let's have a look. It's the same kind of aspect, it's a bit echoey, It's a bit aspect where we carve one room in half, box through the doors and create 2-bed flats. So let's have a look. I'm not sure if you've seen the previous video, but if you haven't, I will put a link up here so you can keep track week on week. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget, click down, press the subscribe button. Thank you very much. So, well, stay tuned. I'm going to take you to the top floor. This is a 3-story building. We've got a basement that's going through planning at the moment, so it will be 4. So what I'll do, I'll start the video going up to the 3rd story, and then we'll do the story what I'm on now. So let's go back and have a look. As I said, starting off on the 3rd story. Originally what it was, it's a very weird setup because you've got the basement, you got the ground floor, you walk up that staircase, this is the 1st floor. So the person on this flat shared this access hallway up to the top floor. So you can imagine the floor that I'm on now, I'll explain a little bit more when I come back down. This floor what I'm on was all separate. There was no linking rooms. So there was a bedroom, you had to walk through a communal hallway. There was a living room, walk through a communal hallway. A kitchen and a bathroom through a communal hallway. So I'll come back to that shortly. So this is the 2nd story. Let's walk up the stairs. As you'd imagine, a staircase up to the flats. Currently stripping out. This is where the original bathroom was, right here. The bath was right there. As you can see, the shower still on the floor. There's the toilet, and there's the sink. This floor was all linked, because all in one floor. There was no one sharing any communal hallways. You walk through here, and this was the original kitchen. Boiler, you can imagine a worktop right in front of you. The worktop swung around to the left and ended. So you can imagine from there, all the way along to there. And this is all the kitchen was. I'll turn it around, give you a better view. Nice size room. We're just literally making a renovation on this. The layout's still staying the same. Have a quick look out the window. A lot of greenery. Not much there for Stoke, but a lot more than there will be in London, let's say. So yeah, this is going to be the kitchen once again. It's going to be a really nice kitchen. This is going to stay the bathroom. I'm walking through. What we've done here, originally we were going to skim over or overboard the ceilings, but the ceilings are all sorts of mixed levels, a lot of cracks. It's going to be a nightmare. Either way, we're going to have to knock through holes to find where the joists are to put plasterboard on. So the builder decided instead to drop the ceilings on timber, and he will overboard them to make a nice smooth finish. That was the original lounge in front of you. This on the right was the original bedroom. We've taken all the door frames out, ready to fit the new door frames in. We're changing the doors from the old-fashioned doors to Mexicano, which are from Howden, or Dordogne from Magnet, if you want to know what they are. They are sort of the doors with the lines going vertical. Same again in here, the builder decided to drop the ceiling to get a nice smooth finish. We've already been, you can see over there, a number 2 and 2 X's. That means we're having 2 double sockets over there. That was the one that we got wrong and we're not putting there anymore. We're definitely putting one there. We've also marked out where I want a light switch. Remember, light switch are normally a single line, not an X. That was just something we were doing quick. So we can imagine you walk in yours, the door opens up this way. Light switch as you walk in. We're expecting a sofa to go there. The tenants will supply their own furniture, or if they want a corner sofa, they can do. That's why we're getting rid of them sockets. It's going to be one at the side of the sofa. We always need something to plug in, charges, etc. We expect the TV can either go there or it can go there. So we're always planning where appliances, where furniture may go. So into this front room, what was the living room. Same again, door frames out, ready for the new frames and new doors. We've created this bit of a lobby inside, a bit of an internal corridor here. So when you turn right, then that is a new door frame already built. To the left, already a door frame built. So what you do, you walk in, walk to the left, then this is one of the bedrooms, a nice sized bedroom. I don't know if you can see that. Let's get this looking up for you. So, nice size bedroom. I'll try and get a size. Once again, radiator, socket, and turn around. We just put a bit of red there because we want the light switch higher up. So that walk in, the door will swing against there, be a light switch around that corner. We expect the bed to go here. That is big enough just about to put a king size bed. I can't see a king size being in here. It'll either be a children's bed or a double. Small door's about there, normal double and king is just to the end. So we've got just enough room. We've made sure of that. So that's bedroom 1. Let's call it the smaller bedroom. This is the bigger bedroom. Let's call it the parents' bedroom. For argument's sake, we're going to put a built-in shelf here. We're going to square that off. Nice shelf. Also the same over there. Put a socket either side of the bed. As we said, this is going to be the master bedroom. You guessed it, radiator, 2 double sockets. Stud wall already in place, and as I did say, a dropped ceiling. Just try and give you a scope of the size of these rooms. I'll turn the camera around now to give you a quick look. So I'm not sure whether you can get a feel for these. You can see my forehead, but you'll see the size of these rooms. Quite a nice size. You walk around. So yeah, so this is the second story. I'm going to walk down now to the first story to give you a quick look at what we've done there, because it's a slightly different layout. What we're trying to do is make sure that you're not walking through a communal corridor to get into your bedroom or living room, because you don't want to be sharing something like that. The last thing I didn't share was, so this communal hallway, what we've done, that staircase is open. We're going to brick up that door right behind me, and then this bedroom door, or the flat door, is going to be roughly here. So nice swing open, you've got a good, at least 1.5 metre square to walk up to the second story. So I'll turn around now and show you the first story and what we're going to do. So here we are, I'm just on the staircase from the ground floor leading up to the first story. As I said, this is where a bit of change happens. On the one upstairs where the bathroom was, we're stripping everything out at the moment. So the bathroom was originally here. I don't know if you can see, there was a sink. The bath was coming down this way. So you can imagine, let me take you inside. There was a wall right here before, literally coming down there. And that was the wall. You can see the line on the floor, literally was here. So what we've got to do in this one, so you're not walking through the communal hallway, we're knocking through a new hole. X marks the spot. We're going to cut a doorway in. You're going to walk through the doorway, down this corridor, that'll be bricked up, and then down towards my south. Let me turn around, give you a better aspect. So you walk along the corridor, which is there. You walk down the corridor to the shovel, and then what you're going to do is walk vertically up there. You're going to walk up towards that spirit level, the blue one here. You're going to come along, walk down the corridor into the kitchen. There's going to be a door literally where I'm standing now, which is going to be here, a door, and we're pushing that bathroom original wall across. Let's just say to where that is right now. So we've already moved that across. Okay, so we're encroaching the bathroom now into the old kitchen. The old kitchen is going to be a nice kitchen all the way around. It's going to be a showstopper when it's finished, because these were in need of major repair. Let's give you a size. There you can see, there's your stud. All we've done is gone from there, pulled it to there. All we've done is whatever size the hallway is going to be, we've added that on extra here, because we already know that size of bathroom works. So from there to here, the bathroom already works, okay? So let's take you through, show you what else we're going to do to get rid of this communal corridor. So this doorway, that is now going to be the flat entrance door, where originally that was one room, that was your other room, and what I've just showed you was the other room. As I said, you had to share the communal corridor to get in all of your spaces. So this will be the flat. We've already taken out the doorway. You walk into your living room, what will be. Then we cut through right there. That now makes it flow. Also, kind of cut through there. As I said, that's a bit of a hallway going through to the bathroom and kitchen. That has now been cut out and the steel put in place into the double bedrooms. Exactly the same. Turn right to one bedroom, turn left to another bedroom. Voila. Simple, really. But there you go. 2 plugs, exactly the same as upstairs. Half a radiator, 2 plugs, half a radiator. Literally exactly the same. So once again, thank you for tuning in. If you haven't already smashed that subscribe button, please do so. Stay tuned. Don't forget also to comment below. I always answer everybody's questions and comments. So if you need any help, need any videos, don't hesitate. Bang me a comment. I'm here to help. Thank you very much. This is what I said as 2 flats at the moment. The third is on the ground floor. It's already 3 1-bed flats. It's going to be 1 1-bed, 2 2-beds and a basement conversion. Stay tuned and follow the update. Thank you very much.